I love this look. Anyway, hello, hi, let's get to business. If you are new here, I'm CourtneyQuarantine and welcome to my channel. If you're returning, hey bestie. Hey, thank you so much for being, oh my God, hello, almost punched the mic. Thank you so much for being here. It really means a lot. I'm gonna get into a little makeup thing today that I just wanted to talk about because I just wanted to talk about it in a little yap. So that's what we're gonna do. But if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing and joining me. I do kind of like chatty makeup stuff for the most part. I do have a gaming channel now, which is very exciting. So if you want to see some of my playthroughs or anything like that, it will be, I'll put it somewhere here. It is CourtneyQuarantine Gaming. I hope you enjoy, I hope you like. I post my clips and playthroughs over there for now, but yeah, just this channel is more makeup and just kind of chatting and getting into other stuff, vlogs, should there, ever be one. There's some, they're there. They're sparse, but I do love vlogging. So anywho, welcome. I got a cool package from Half Magic, and that's honestly gonna be the focus of what I'm talking about today. I am so excited. This is one of my favorite products. I already know, but there's like a weird thing that happened with it. So I'll get into all of that. But if you want to check out any of my other content, it will be linked in the description. I am a gamer and I am a streamer. So if you want to see any of my stuff like live, I do stream regularly. It's usually Monday, Wednesday, Friday, unless I have to like move my schedule for events or what have you, but that's pretty typical. And I do love indie horror games. Can I just self-promo that for a little bit? Yeah, let me do that. I play a lot of indie horror games, but I just love being live. It's like my chance to kind of like chat with the community and like hang out. But I have recently gotten really obsessed with just playing indie horror games. I play a lot of Phasmophobia. Other games that I really love are games like Elden Ring. I love Little Nightmares, Zelda games. I love just in general. I did Animal Crossing for a while, but I haven't gone back to my Animal Crossing island in a long time, and I feel like they're gonna hate me when I go back, when I return. But scary season is coming up, and we're gonna be doing some really fun games. I do a run of the Quarry every year too, which is just delightful, dude. And my chat will vote on like what happens on the decision. So if that is something that you're interested in, I highly suggest, taking a little look, following over there. And if you want no ads, subscribing, but seriously, it is free to follow. And I hope that you enjoy that content. Also, same thing about Instagram. If you're curious about like my photography or just like fun pictures and stories that I'm sharing, that's all there as well, and literally like everywhere else. So anyway, enough yapping about that. Let's get into this makeup because I'm very excited. This has been a core product for me for a very long time. I want to say since like 2023, I think, is the first time that I picked up a glitter puck, and it was the Dopamine Sparkle. And brother, let me tell you, I used that thing almost every freaking day. I love the glitter pucks. Okay. And so when I saw this arrive, I said, well, obviously those are glitter pucks. Like these are the pictures of the glitter pucks. I know it's the glitter puck, but I let out a little scream because I had a dream that they made a gold kind of champagne one literally days before I even saw them teasing anything on their Instagram, which I believe is the first place that I saw anything on these, which is just like kind of odd. I'm not kidding you. I dream about like makeup products and I dream about like makeup in general very often. I also have like night terrors, so it'll be so strange that I'll have like a nightmare and or night terror. I know there's a difference between the two, don't worry, but like I will have a nightmare, and then in the nightmare I'm like, hold on, I have to go into this abandoned home in the middle of nowhere, and then I walk in and I'm like, oh cool, there's like paintbrushes here, and oh there's makeup here, and oh there's pigments, and then I like do something, and they're like, ah crap, the zombies, we gotta get moving. Let me swatch those later. It's I don't know why. But also a lot of my dreams, if you've heard me talk about this in the past too, a lot of my dreams are in like certain colors for a very long time. Like it's just like a theme of color. Like it's just a lot of like repeating, like almost like a filter of a certain like hue. It's strange. I don't know. This has been something that's been going on my whole life, and I don't really try to like figure it out now. I just kind of let it happen. And yeah, anyway, little lore drop for you. But anywho, when I had a dream about this one, I thought it was very strange, and like I don't know if maybe my subconscious or something, like I don't know if I was just something I was thinking about. Also too, because I think I have misplaced my cyber diamond, and that's a bummer to me. So I think I was thinking about that. So they have the glitter puck, the like original shade is the Dopamine Sparkle that has that little bit of like pink and like rose gold. It doesn't really come off like pink or rose gold. It has mostly a transparent base to it. So you can put it with any eye look. I have put it with any freaking eye look I've ever done, and it looks glorious. It is so cool. It's almost like it has that like cooling kind of like feel, that sensation that I really enjoy. It's just a breeze to use. It is, oh my God, dude. I know you've heard me talk about this for a very long time, especially if you've been watching my content for a very long time. Lord, I have not shut up about this. There was a time that I was like, I think I'm using this too much. There's a new freaking glitter puck. So anywho, here we are. Here's what the package looks like, and honestly, I am so excited. I'm so excited. Half Magic, also, thank you so much for this. Anytime I see your tape or like any of your branding like sitting outside, I'm like, oh, I run and I grab it out of the sun now, but I am just so excited. I'm so excited. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, look at that. No mess application, I can attest to that. Zero mess application, yes, sparkly as puck. Wait, now hold on. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wait, wait. Oh, dang, this picture is so good. I'm obsessed with all of their like picture and like things that they do. Like it looks vibey. You know I love a little bit of info, so here is some info. Glitter puck, pressed fairy dust, new iconic shade Glimmer Pop. Ooh. Okay, available doodaloo in stores now at Ulta and Mecca, $29.50 for that huge freaking bucket, dude. Like it is a jar, bro. Okay, on the back, what do we got? What do we got? I know all this stuff. I'm so familiar with this formula, but in case you want to see 8-hour long wear, 1 swipe, 3-in-1 use, safe for eyes, face, and body. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I love that. Oh God, yes. Extra sparkle, neutral champagne with an ultra icy sparkle guaranteed to blow your mind. Okay, we'll see about that. Lulu tag, okay. Look at this freaking dish. Stop, that's so cute. Half Magic, this is so cute. I love, oh, enough. It's all of them. Half Magic, are we about to kiss? Sorry. Dopamine sparkle, girl, I love you, hello. Cyber diamond, which I thought I lost and I still haven't found, so honestly, thank you, Half Magic. And Glimmer Pop, let's go, baby. Let's go. Very, very, very excited. Let me open this. There's a little tiny bit of tape. You all kind of know the drill about this product, I think. Here is the box and the unicarton that it comes in. It's got a little information, so on and so forth. The usual stuff. I feel like I've talked about this enough that like, maybe, you know. Wear your heart on your face. Ethereal weightless sparkle, all over use. Let's go. Glitter puck, pet pressed fairy dust for eyes, face, and body. And then it's in other languages on the other side. Using fingers, brush, or sponge, apply product to eyes, face, or body. Warning, keep away from children, do not ingest. Dang it, I can't eat it. No worries about the children part. Ooh. I will be sure to keep this away from my children, aka my kitties. Oh, dude, I'm so excited for this. Ooh, just seeing the bottom of that. Oh boy. Oh brother. Yeah. Don't throw out the sponge. Do not throw out this sponge, bro. This is what keeps this from drying up. So keep the sponge to put back in and to, you know. Okay. Did you amp up the sparkles on this? Half Magic, did you bump up the sparkles on this? I'm serious. Bro, look at that. I know they told me not to ingest it, but don't you kind of wanna? Like, just like a little bit? Wow. Woo, dang. Even like in that low light, kind of like, even not in direct light. Ooh. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take my finger and I'm gonna lightly press. God, this texture really never gets old. This texture never gets freaking old. I'm gonna tap. Like, I barely touched it. I freaking barely touched it. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Wow. Wowza. I'm just gonna lightly tap the lightest pressure possible. Yep. That's the glitter puck I know and love, bro. That is the glitter puck I know and love, but this shade, delightful, freaking delightful. It is fairy dust. I've said it once and I'll say it again. It is fairy dust. Oh, dear God. Beautiful. Now I don't want to lose the colors underneath, so I don't want to put too much on, but I do kind of want to swipe it on my hand to see if you can get like a full opaque like kind of swipe, and I would imagine, because again, you can with the others, you will be able to do that with this. Oh, you sure do. You sure freaking do. You can still see my tattoo through it, but that's one of the things I like the most about these, because it's like wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. But it also, you can get that like light fairy dust, just like a little bit of sparkle. Like even if I just like lightly kind of like start to stretch it out this way, you get that. You know what I mean? Like it just, this Dude, I am always obsessed with how my makeup looks when I wear these, and I'm so thankful that I have these back in front of my face too, because sometimes when I use a product so much, I'm like, okay, let me take a minute, let me take a breather, and then I get re-obsessed with it later. And that's one of the things I really like about the things that I really like in my collection. Like my like solid core things, I will be obsessed with until the end of time. There's not a point where I like actually get sick of it. Me taking a step back is like, okay, maybe I should mix it up. Maybe I'll mix it up just a little bit, but there's not a like lack of interest. And I feel like, if I may say, sometimes with like how everything is new and there's like the consumerism capitalistic BS that happens, if you don't feel that way about a product, or even like think that you would feel that way about a product, it's probably not something that you need. You know what I'm saying? Like this to me is a core product and has been since I've tried it. There has not been a time that I have not loved this. There's maybe a time that I've used other like sparkly products that I've also really enjoyed and loved, but there's not been a time where I'm like, oh yeah, I don't know, oh that glitter puck, nah. I'm like, glitter puck, oh glitter puck, I love you. And even this like one little glitter that's like falling down on my cheek, like it's just cute. It's just a little cutie. I have a little mascara on my lid, but you know what I mean? Like this light little shimmer, it gives that, dude, it gives that. A lot of my favorite products can work in like a really built up gorgeous way, and this, and so yo, this is my kind of thing. This is my kind of vibe. This shade is absolutely gorgeous. I think I'm gonna leave it there for now. I don't mind when I get a little bit of like the glitter pieces like on my face, because it's just kind of cute. You can also easily remove it. Like I can just like kind of dust it away or like pick it off. It's not gonna be like sunken into my skin. A little bit on the tip of my nose too. Like a little bit right here. Yes. Yeah, that as a nose highlight is actually very cute. I think this shade to me is also really quite lovely because it's champagne without being champagne. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. There's some champagne shades that I'm like, okay, but I really enjoy the like neutralness of this sparkle. Like, I feel like I can tell that it's not a silver. I can tell that it doesn't have that like rose goldness. There is a bit of that. How many times can I say champagne? Say champagne, champagne. So I enjoy this. I like this a lot. I was thinking it was going to be more gold, but I don't think I don't think that's their intended purpose of this. Again, when you're looking at products, particularly new products that people are talking about, if they're not saying, hey, this is supposed to be gold, I wouldn't expect gold. Now, would I like to see a gold or even like bronze in this? Or like, I don't know if you could get like, I don't know how deep you could get with the glitter pucks, but I would love to see that too. However, I do think since these are such big jars of them, like I think I've hit pan on my first one, and again, I've had that since 2023, spring of 2023, and my other ones I have like a sizable donk in, but you will have this for a long time. I think it's like, I think it said it was like $29.50, which even some of the single shadows out there that claim to do like a similar thing, you get like a 1/10 of the product. However, sometimes doing the math on how much you're going to use of a product really very much depends person to person, and that's something I kind of like to talk about. Just like I like to kind of sprinkle in there, even when people are like, oh my god, this is all the product that's in there. I'm like, how fast do you think you're gonna go through that though, realistically? Not just from like a, oh, you want more to have more product, have more product on more product for more product. Like it really is like a, you might only use a tiny touch of said thing, so you're gonna go through it slower, versus like maybe, you know, where you use like one pump of foundation versus like your eyebrow pencil, like how fast you go through an eyebrow pencil or something like that. But again, your brows could be totally different. You might not even use that much, or you might draw them on every day. I don't know. But for me, I think having like this giant tub of this, if this is something you're interested in and you're like, that could be my like one freaking glitter, that could be my one jar glitter thing, like this just rocks. I have loved this for so long, and I'm happy to see an expansion on the products, like on the line. I was really excited to see Cyber Diamond so much that I freaking lost that. So now that it's back in my life, I'm so happy. Dopamine Sparkle, y'all have seen me talk about those and heard me talk about those a lot, but truly I'm very happy to see this. That's gorgeous. That is stunning, dude. It has that wet kind of vibe. It's the fairy dust. It's all the stuff that I love to see in a shimmer and a glitter in a product. So I love it. I love to see it. To Half Magic and the Half Magic team, thank you so much. Donnie, hey, thank you so much for these. This little dish is also so freaking cute. I think I'm gonna put my rings in it or something, or maybe my necklaces, or like my freaking glitter pucks so they're in front of my face every day. This is freaking adorable. I love this. It is so cute. I love stuff like this because this is something that, like, I'm not kidding you, I was just looking at little like ring trays last night. I'm serious. So either like Half Magic and I are really that connected that I'm like dreaming about these products, and then also looking and they're like, oh, you were looking at ring trays, here you go, babe, or something. Something's going on. we're connected. But anyway, thank you so much for this. These are so useful to me, and I just, oh my god, I'm so happy to have these back in my life and also have the new one. So thank you. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and joining me here. I would love to have you here, giving this video a like, giving it a thumbs up, and commenting something down below, or commenting your favorite out of these shades. Any questions you might have, any food hyperfixations that you might have lately, a song that you can't stop listening to, I would love to know. And also, what do you think about these glitter pucks? Have you tried one? Is there a shade that you would like to see? Are you stoked about this champagne? Let me know. And as always, thanks for being here, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!